Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Micro Wireless Bluetooth Earphone from Daiso. Inside we get the gadget itself and a simple user manual. No fancy extras, not surprising for something that costs. The build quality feels cheap, light and plasticky.
Pieces of AirPods.
It is a little bit difficult to open and close. And it has Type-C port for charging. It is hard to take out the earphones from the body. Not so user friendly.
It's very hard. And then connect it.
Now let's crack open this thing. Here we get the two terminals for the charging. Here we can see two terminals and a budget chip that handles audio. And now let's open the speaker part. Here you can see the tiny little lithium battery and the speaker which is connected to the circuit board, and you can see a touch sensor. Now it's time for the speaker. The build quality of this speaker is so cheap, that's why the quality of sound is not so great. Now it is time for the case. Accidentally I broke the top of the case, and it was so hard to take it out from the case. Finally, the circuit board has showed up. Let's remove the two screws which is holding the board. And it has a lithium battery which have low capacity. And it is packed with 3 neodymium magnets. After the teardown, it still works. So here's the reality. For just $8 you do get a working wireless gadget, but on the inside you can see exactly why it's so cheap. So would I recommend it? If you just want to try wireless earphones without saving much, maybe. But if you care about sound quality and durability, I won't recommend this thing. That's it for today's teardown. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gadgets breakdown.